Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply just open your settings, press on wallpaper and style. Showing you to change the wallpaper, showing you to more option. Okay, and select from gallery, select, press on next. So if you want to set this image lock screen and home screen, make sure to two option, or if you want to set only home screen, just select to home screen, or if you want to select only lock screen, just select to lock screen and just set this image only lock screen, press on next, showing it to lock screen option. Done, and my lock screen wallpaper and home screen wallpaper are different.